for the BCDA is BCDA President and Chief Executive Officer, Attorney Arnel Pasiano Casanova, and signing for the Supreme Court is Attorney Felipa B. Thank you very much, Attorney Casanova, Attorney Anama, Mr. President, Chief Justice Sereno, Associate Justices of the Supreme Court. We shall now proceed to the groundbreaking and the lowering of the time capsule for the new Supreme Court. The Chief Justice and the President are filling the time capsule with 2 newspapers, some coins, and mementos. The President is sealing the time capsule. Time capsule is now being lowered. Thank you very much, Mr. President, Madam Chief Justice. To commemorate today's occasion, the Supreme Court will affix a marker on this site. The marker and Honorable Maria Lourdes P.A. Sereno, Chief Justice, Supreme Court of the Philippines, during their respective incumbencies as the 15th President of the Philippines and the 24th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The construction of the new Supreme Court complex, envisioned as a state-of-the-art facility housed within an iconic structure.
The support of many sectors, the traditional stakeholders in the justice sector, as well as its development partners. But strikingly, and it must today, on official business or ill, and all the members of the judiciary to say, thank you for your support.
Maganda nga po rito dahil nga batay sa Green Building Principles ang disenyo ng ipagagawang gusali, inaasahang aabot sa 65.78 milyong piso kada taon ang matitipid sa maintenance at utility expenses nito. Nasa sa inyo pa rin kung isusulong ninyo ang tama at makatwiran. Bilang mga inaasahang magtatagpuan